Hey you guys, have y'all been waiting for an ice cream recipe from the Jess Bakes kitchen? I don't know about you guys, but I have just been waiting to share this recipe with y'all. This recipe is so easy that it is almost embarrassing to share it with y'all, but what the hell. Introducing the fifth dessert of our fall series, Eggless spiced sweet potato ice cream. All I can say is heaven. So let's get all our ingredients measured quickly and get started. Start by adding the sweet potato puree and the spices to the condensed milk and vanilla and whisk until they are well combined. Next, whisk the heavy cream on high speed until it forms stiff peaks and set aside. In a big bowl, add the sweet potato puree and fold in the whipped cream until you see no traces of white strands of cream. Once done, pour this mixture into a dish or a tray of your choice and cover it with a cling wrap to keep the surface from forming ice crystals. Pop this into the freezer for at least 6 hours or overnight and we are done. So here you go guys, how easy was that? This rich and creamy spiced ice cream is what we really need to get us through this week. This recipe is a no-brainer and you can make it for literally any event or gathering of your choice. It is a perfect way to finish your big Thanksgiving meal on a fresh and sweet note. I enjoyed every bit of making this video for you guys and I hope I've hit that nerve to like this video and subscribe to this channel. More sweet content coming your way. Bye!